Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. This is our project title, Online Tender Management. Let's we see our project abstract. The main objective of the PHP project is contract management system is to manage the details and obligations, tender and audit and authoring. It manages all information about application, contract, authoring, obligation. The project is totally built at administrator end, thus only administrator guaranteed to access. E-tender system is provide the interface between admin and company on the internet. In this system, more helpful will get better scope for company rating. Because of the drawback of the current manual system, the company has decided to automate current system into application on the website. It helps to easy to take tender by using tender details such as cost, time duration, quality, etc. It will get good decision about company by using Red. We can wade through this tender management without any conflicts. Let's see our project data flow diagram. In our project, there are three models: user, tender publisher, and tender authority. Initially, the tender publisher publishes the tender. If existing tender publisher member is directly login with his or her username and also password. Otherwise, a new tender member is registered, then access our system. This publishing tender details is directly viewed by tender authority. He or she only writes have to accept or reject tender. The tender authority, she also is logged in by his or her own username or password. This model have view the tender information and also accept reject tender. If accept the tender, go to the tender publishing. In this, user is view the tender details. If user want to any tender, when request the tender, then this request information directly go to tender publisher. The tender publisher is accept or rejected tender. Then these tender accepted or rejected is directly go to user mail ID. Let's see about our project demo. This index page of our project. Here is shown a 6 navigation link. It's a side navigation bar. Here you show the number of category tenders, and it is feedback scrolling. These feedbacks is put by user. Here click today tender, close tender and all tender. This is mentioned the tender category at particular time. If click today tender, then only show the tender publishing today. Here click close tender. Now open here tender closed tender. So click all tender and view the all tender. Then click home page. This is a home page of our project. Then click tender service. This is our service. Then click contact us. Here user put his feedback, username, When sent successfully, message will be shown. Now see the tender publisher process. The tender publisher, click this tender publisher navigation link, then open his login page. Here he put his user mail ID and password. Click login button, and here the security access code we need for security purpose. And click database. Just copy this security code and put into security code text field. Click submit security code, then open a tender publisher page. Here initially put the tender ID and location and state, amount, close date. It's a type of tender. It's a description about this tender. Then click post tender button and send successfully, message will be shown. Now this tender publishing tender is sent to tender authority. He only the view the tender and have a rights to add or reject the tender. Now click the tender authority, then open this login page. Here his username and also his password. Then click login button. You put invalid login. When show the incorrect login details, message will be shown. It is your last demo set. Here the tender authority approve or reject the tender. This approved tender is directly going to user page. It is our lastly posted tender. Then user wants to take tender. When click the tender link, then open user registration form. Here user put his name, a number of labors will work in particular tender, number of experience, any certificate name, mail ID, location details, number of days for working complete to particular tender, amount to be for the particular tender. Click submit button. When successfully replied will be shown. Then request. Here the user request will be displayed. If suppose he or she only writes for approve or reject the tender. If click approve button, then this tender approved by tender authority. If click reject, then the user request decline. If click approve details, and also rating for the particular company. Then these approved details directly viewed by user. It is the good easy to get tender by our project. Thank you for watching our video.